How to start your fashion business or brand on a budget. So first tip, define your niche. Find your ideal customer. Second tip, so think about your brand identity. Create your personal brand. Third tip, start small and scale gradually. So it means don't spend too much on inventory or for your fashion products or on equip or anything about your fashion service business. Start very small. Then fourth, collaborate and network. Try to collaborate with many people in the fashion industry in your niche as possible. Then fifth, leverage social media and e-commerce. Use social media as your diary, as your personal brand, as said before. Then sixth, stay educated and adapt. It means that you have always to learn, keep learning every time. And the last tip is invest in your skills. So it means if you find what is your skill, the best skill you have, you must grow your skill as much as possible. Learn, keep learning, and invest in yourself. If you want to learn more, check ebooksforfashion.com. Thank you so much for watching.